Hello, my name is Lindy Rutledge. I'm one of our environment educators here at Greenacres Foundation. I worked this fall and spring school year to be one of our coordinators for the Exploring with Grace programs, working with Euler. Exploring with Grace is a program where we invite different schools in the Cincinnati area to come to Greenacres. We offer some after-school programs. These are really great to allow students to come to a safe place after school so that we can make sure that they're learning great things and getting to see all of our assets here at Greenacres. One of our most popular things that we like to do for our Exploring with Grace programs is we do a lot of nature exploration. So that means that we're bringing students through the forests, through our creek habitats, through the fields. We are just trying to give students as much exposure to the outdoor world as possible. So in the way that we do this, sometimes we do activities like log rolling, which is where we're going out into the forest. We're rolling logs and looking for different little critters, different wildlife, just to get students some exposure to those different things. So this is a really great way to start getting them comfortable out in nature so that they can learn and grow. So I think that what we're doing here is so special. Bringing students into these environments that they might be a little bit unsure about or a little bit uncomfortable in at first, we are just giving them exposure to the beautiful outside world. So when they're coming from in the city or wherever they're coming from, they might not have these same assets that we have here at Greenacres. And that's why this is such a special place, because we are able to take them into these different habitats so that they can learn within them. I also think that giving exposure to the natural world at such a young age is so important for building empathy. So when we're showing them all of these beautiful outdoor spaces at these formative years, that in turn will help them to grow to appreciate and to love our natural world around us. I think the biggest thing about getting students out into nature, getting children out into nature from such a young age, so we're seeing kids sometimes as young as 5 years old, getting them when they're in these kindergarten, first, second grade years, if we can introduce them to the outdoor world and get them feeling empathy and starting to love all of the wildlife around them, that is going to allow them to grow up and to become stewards of our environment, which I think is one of the biggest missions of Greenacres, is to build up our future generations.